everybody, this is Joni, and I am still playing catch up, as you might well know. I usually spend my life playing catch up, but this is my latest planner spread that I made. I made that last night. I had my paper cut a couple days ago, but I just wasn't into it, so I didn't go ahead and put it up because I was still too weak, really. And so I got up last night about 2 o'clock in the morning, and I came in here and I sat down and I thought I'm going to finish it one way or the other. So this is for December the 18th through the 24th. And these are some things that I've picked up at Dollar Tree and Michael's. And some of the little things like the fireplace, I've had that for years. And then, of course, the car here, we all know that that's just out this year and everything. But I chose the green and white paper here for my sidebar. And then I liked the red and white here. And then when I got over here, I wanted Santa with his reindeer flying through the air. So I chose to put Santa on the red and then put some of the deer on the white. Now, I haven't chosen to put any washi tape because I thought that it had enough color on it the way it was. And these are little stickers that I had just gotten at Dollar Tree and places like that. And I think that this may have come from Michael's, but I'm not for sure. But some of these three-dimensional things, I really love them three-dimensional, but I am going to have to start taking the puffy little things out of it that builds it up because it's making my planner way, way too thick, and it doesn't want to close for me. So I'm going to have to start taking those down. Now, I thought that the red and white polka dots were really pretty because it is Christmas and everything, and it matched the stockings and everything like that. And then this little tree down here, it was nice. I had some other things that I could have put on my tree, but I could not find them because I have got too much too many things around that I don't know where they are. And I got a new big long container that has the bins that push back in it about 2 weeks ago. And as soon as I get well enough, I'm going to start taking a bunch of this stuff out of here, out of my studio, and putting everything so I will know where it is. And then I'll be able to find my stuff as I want to use it. Because there's nothing any more distracting than trying to work and you can't find your materials that you need. And so that's the way that these are going. Now, I have probably one more or two more to go on my Christmas things before I can get my book to where I can do a flip through on it. And I don't know if you guys are interested in this or not. Some of you seem to be becoming more interested in my things now. But as far as my planner is concerned. But I enjoyed making them and everything, so I'm going to keep making them. And as you can see, I didn't make any appointments or anything because I did not have any appointments. And I didn't have anything that I had to do. So as the season progresses and everything, I figure I will start getting into things that I do have to do. In fact, there's some things I need to do next week. So I will let you go, and I hope that you do like this. And I hope you enjoy the late Christmas and the Merry Christmas and let it snow. And I think a lot of you are maybe getting tired of snow. We haven't seen any. But it's very, very cold. And so I'll let you go, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.